Hi guys, welcome back. Here's how you can create this fisheye effect for your pictures using PicsArt for the fisheye frame and also with PS Express, an app where you can make the picture behind the fisheye frame to look bulging so that it looks like, you know, the picture captured using fisheye camera. So to start, let's go to PS Express first, and then all we have to do now is to tap on the plus symbol and then pick a picture, for example this one, and then we're going to make it bulging. So to do this, swipe right, go to reshape, and then go to swell, make it swell, bulging, centerize the swelling point, and then make it swell slightly, just like this, and then make it slightly make the picture slightly smaller, just like so, and then hold on, and then hold on, wait, that looks bulging enough. So tap on the save icon on the top right. It's been saved. Let's go to PicsArt, and then afterwards pick the picture that we edited and then add a fisheye frame. So go to sticker, look for fisheye lens. Yeah, there are a lot of fisheye lens frames here. So pick this one because the picture is vertical, just like this. Hold on, and then centerize it, just like so. Hold on, make sure that it's entirely centerized, just like so. Place it around here, and you're done. Make it larger. That's it, you're done. We've made the picture beyond the fisheye lens bulging, and we've added this fisheye lens frame as well. It looks really realistic, just like so. So it's looking spherical. So that's how you can make this fisheye picture in PicsArt and Photoshop Express. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. For me, it's good day. Ciao.